hope you guys like noodles because we are about to unbox them. Keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the NAKAMA noodles box from MiauMall. This is where it's from, just in case I said it wrong. So if you guys don't know by now, I love snack boxes. You can find the videos of them all throughout my channel. And today we're going to be trying this snack box that consists of different types of noodles. The NAKAMA noodles box is a monthly subscription box and it includes 8 different types of noodles from ramen to soba, yakisoba, and udon, which is a subscription box from MiauMall, which is an online store that sells all types of Japanese cosmetics, household goods, and fun items. Okay, so let's open it up. Less talking and more unboxing. So in here, it looks like you get this little pamphlet and it includes a QR code so that you can scan it and find out the information for the noodles in this month's box. So this month's noodle guide is the Ramen Watch Party. This is so cool, up to date. It says a little bit about things that are really popular in Japan and that things that we're watching right now. And it talks about Solo Leveling, Kaiju number 8, Demon Slayer, and the new season of My Hero Academia. And so let's get into the snacks here. Sometimes I just feel like you have to do things in a British accent. I don't know why. So the first one we've got here is the Sapporo #1 Pokemon noodle, the Sendai Spicy Miso Ramen. And it's so cute. Look, it's got all the characters on it. It's like a collab version, which I always thought was so cool in Japan. You go into the convenience and see all the like snacks and they all got like anime characters and Sanrio characters on them. It's like everything is a collaboration, but I love it. We need to do more of that. It also tells you the ingredient and allergen and vegetarian special dietary restriction information, so you have that as well. This is the next noodle that we've got and it has pochita on it. These are the Devil's Super Cup 1.5 size spicy pork kimchi ramen. You had me at spicy pork, but then you threw in kimchi and made it ramen? Well, well, well. And I will say that we're gonna be trying one of these because I'm actually really hungry, so I wanna get through this video so I can eat. It also has cool fun facts. Like there's a fun fact about Chainsaw Man on here. So this is the Nissin Yakisoba UFO Oil Soba Chili Oil Mayo. I don't know why it says oil so many times, but you had me at yakisoba. So the base is shoyu tare, which is like a thick soy sauce. It says when you add the chili mayo, you have a delicious soupless ramen bowl full of great flavor and a bit of flair. Also, one thing I love, it also includes the cooking instructions because again, you're not gonna be able to read it. Next, we've got this Nissin Donbei Curry Udon. Curry Udon. Okay, I'm listening. And although this one isn't a Chainsaw Man collaboration noodle, it does still mention a little tip here that if you top it with fried tofu and green onions, it will give you that Chainsaw Man experience. Next, we've got the Maruchan QTTA Thick and Light Cream Cheese flavor. News to me, I didn't know ramen could be cream cheese flavor, but you know what? Ramen can be whatever you want it to be because ramen is amazing. So, cream cheese flavor. It says you'd be surprised how well cheese can go with ramen, from tomato ramen with the square of trees to fried chicken ramen with Parmesan. Next, we've got the Yamadai Utsunomiya Yakisoba. I love yakisoba. If I could tell y'all how many times I went to the convenience and got yakisoba, like it's so good. I just love yakisoba. Like, I just love yakisoba. So the base for this one is oyster sauce. I think it's decided. I fear it's been decided with the oyster sauce. It also says this features a special collab sauce with the Skihoshi, which means moon star, for a delicious saucy experience. Add the special chewy noodles and you'll have some delicious yakisoba. This is gonna be the one I try. I feel it in my bones. There's 2 packs left, but I just feel like that's the winner. Like, you oyster sauce? So good. Next up, we've got the Maruchan Sesame Tare Cold Ramen Pack. This one says, we know it's getting warm outside and it's probably getting warm inside with your watch party marathon, which is why we got a pack of tasty cold ramen just for you. Interestingly enough, one of the common allergens for this is apple, so I wonder if that has any impact on the flavor at all. I will say though, I don't think I've ever had cold ramen before, so this is definitely gonna be one that I try very, very soon, just because I'm curious about it. I think they're all gonna be good, actually. I'm curious about the cream cheese too. So this is our last noodle, and this is our Nissin Rao Yuzu Shio Ramen Pack. So shio is salt, and then of course yuzu. And it basically says, backed by popular demand, this ramen combines the light taste of shio with yuzu citrus for a complex yet refreshing combo of flavor. They also suggest that you add some toppings like chicken breast, chicken meatballs, bamboo, or green onion. I'm trying to remember if I've ever seen bamboo like at the Asian grocery store, or like where can I get it? Maybe it comes in a can, bamboo shoots. Where can I get bamboo? I want to put some bamboo in my ramen. I don't even know if I've... This is the winner of the Noodle Award, and this is the one we're gonna be trying. So this is the oyster base of the yakisoba. So let's heat it up and enjoy it. Here it is in all its yakisoba glory. I topped it with the ginger that it came with, and it took about 5 minutes to make. And thank goodness for the instructions, because y'all look at this. This is what it looked like. When I tell you I was so confused, I actually opened the wrong thing and I had to use something to keep it closed because I should have opened that last. I was confused. It also has this handy dandy little drainage spout there that you can pour out the water. So for this testing, I'm going to be using my Hello Kitty chopsticks, of course, absolutely. Look at that. This flavor, everything I wanted to be. I made the right choice. I made the right choice. It's so good with the ginger too. Come on, man. Gonna make me eat the other one right after this. I mean, ain't no shame in my game. Y'all, I'm eating the other yakisoba. This is the one with the chili oil mayo. Oh my God, it's so good. Like, I literally thought I was just gonna try one, and when I finished the first one, I was like, I'm gonna have to do another. So I decided to go for the other yakisoba because I was in a, you know, after I had the first one, I'm like, I'm in a yakisoba vibe. This is so good. The chili oil mayo takes it to a whole nother level. Like, it was already good. Like, that's a cheat code. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're gonna rank it 1 through 10. 10. Thank you to MiauMall for sending me this NAKAMA noodle subscription box. If you guys are interested in trying your own, you can use my code, which is in the description box and right here in this video, for a little discount. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.